If room size always correlated with room purpose, laundry rooms would probably merit more square footage than they often get. Yet, some home plans allocate only a small hallway alcove or combine the laundry with a mudroom. Spacious or reserved, your laundry room layout impacts functionality and whether using the space is a pleasure or a challenge. While laundry room designs can vary considerably, the best among them often adhere to sound principles that make functionality a priority. A functional laundry room layout often centers around a 220-volt power outlet for a dryer and hot and cold water lines for a washing machine. Add to that the requirements for a dryer exhaust and washer outflow, as well as the square footage to accommodate both machines and their functional requirements like drain height, ventilation, and power. For example, appliances must usually sit within 6 feet of their power source. Washing machines usually have a maximum drain height, and dryer exhaust have distance and bend limitations. While skipping this one might be tempting initially, once you've experienced how useful a utility sink or laundry tub can be, going without one is unimaginable. A utility sink or laundry tub is usually much larger than a kitchen sink and made of sturdy materials intended to handle dirty tasks. It's a place where you can soak or pre-treat really grimy articles, hand-wash delicate clothing, clean up after crafts or outdoor projects, water house plants, clean housekeeping articles like mops and brushes, or simply wash your hands. It can also spare your kitchen and bathroom sinks and counters from tasks they really weren't designed to handle. If your space simply does not allow a sink, consider a washing machine offering a built-in pre-treat station. Having a flat tabletop with an uncluttered counter space gives you a clean surface area to check clothing for stains, fold and sort clean laundry, iron, place laundry baskets, or set up tiered mesh drying racks. For example, these spaces also give you a place to spread out crafts or let paint rollers dry. Depending on your space's dimensions, you may be able to install one long counter, use multiple sections, or incorporate an L-shaped counter to accommodate a corner or angle. Rolling carts, fold-out or pull-out tables, and pull-downs can also expand horizontal workspaces. Laundry room floor coverings must be able to stand up to moisture, as well as any number of household cleaning agents and chemicals year after year. Dyes, bleach, paint, stains, harsh cleaners, and even items like fingernail polish and remover can leave their mark. These types of substances, as well as frequent cleaning, waterproof vinyl and ceramic are popular choices that are both durable and stylish. Be sure to carefully evaluate glossy finishes that can be especially slippery when wet. Of course, one of the most important features of your laundry room will be the pair of appliances you'll depend on to keep your clothing and home neat and clean. If you're considering replacing your laundry room appliances, remodeling your home's laundry spaces, or building a new home complete with a laundry room, Coburn Supply Company can help. Explore our website to find the perfect washer, dryer, or utility sink, or visit your nearest Coburn's kitchen and bath showroom for inspiration. Or know exactly how to convert your needs and wants into the perfect laundry room layout and how to integrate the best laundry room designs into your vision for your home. Washing, drying, and folding clothes can seem a never-ending task that takes hours every week. If you live in a small area, laundry procrastination can take over large areas of your home. This feels chaotic and disorganized. The outdoor laundry has become the solution for space-savvy homes. By locating the laundry outside of the house, you are able to keep the noise and clutter of laundry work away from main living areas. A backyard cabana creates a fantastic outdoor laundry. It provides plenty of space for a washing machine, dryer, large sink, and storage, as well as being conveniently nearby the clothesline. You could even make it your own little nook. Add a comfortable chair and include large windows to let in natural light. Get the space you need without moving or renovating. Sydney's recent housing crisis has families looking for ways to make more use of their existing home, rather than move or renovate. Adding a council-exempt backyard cabana, cubby house, or garden shed to your property is the easiest, fastest, and most affordable way to add space to your life.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.